Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. We have completed till question 4. Today we'll see question 5 and 6. So what's the question 5? Question 5 we will divide into two parts. First, I will explain you up to here. Then after we'll move with this. So let's try to understand. For each of the following numbers, means they have given such numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied. It means what? The given question. Okay. Question में जो number दिया है वो. So as to get a perfect square means the number which is given in the question is not a perfect square. You have to make it perfect square by multiplying smallest whole number. So you have to find out that whole number. यानी ये जो क्वेश्चन दिया है, जो नंबर दिया है 252, वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. उसे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाने के लिए आपको एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट नंबर. लेट्स सॉल्व इट अप टू हियर. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, you are going to find out the prime factors of the given number. यानी क्वेश्चन जो दिया है आपको वो नंबर का आप प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो in this way we will get the prime factors of 252. So 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 7. In this way we will get the prime factors of the given number. Now if you will observe, 2 is in a pair, 3 is in a pair, but 7 is not in a pair. If it is a perfect square, then you will get all the numbers in a pair. अगर वो perfect square होता तो हमें सारे numbers एक pair में ही मिलते. Okay, so here 7 is not in a pair, so we will multiply by 7, so we'll get the pair of 7. अंडरस्टूड. सो जो नंबर की पेयर नहीं बन रही है वही नंबर से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो वी विल गेट द न्यू नंबर विच इज़ अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो 252 विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7. दिस ऑल आर द factors of 252. So 252 will be multiplied by 7, hence we will get this perfect square. So up to here you have to solve. Now let's read further. Also find the square root, means हमें square root भी find out करना है of the square number, so obtain. यानी ये मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमें जो नया नंबर मिला उसका हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? स्क्वायर रूट. सो वी नो दैट बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन ओनली वी विल गेट द स्क्वायर रूट. सो वंस ये जो आपने एक बार यहाँ 7 ऐड कर दिया, उसके बाद में ये नंबर आपका क्या बन जाएगा? 1764. तो यही उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स भी हो जाएंगे. सो सिंपली वी नो दैट वी हैव टू राइट इट out of the square root. So 2, so 2 times है तो वो कितने टाइम हो जाएगा? 1, then 3 1 time and 7 1 time, and by multiplying all you will get the square root of the new number. Understood the question? Let's see the next one, so we'll get clear to you more. The next is 180. So what is the first step? 180 is not a perfect square. So first we will find out all the prime factors of 180 by this method. So we will get these factors. Here pair, 3 is in a pair but 5 is not in a pair. So this 180 will be multiplied by 5 to get a square number. तो 180 को हमने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करके परफेक्ट स्क्वायर कर दिया. सो व्हाट इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर? 900. और अब ये जो नंबर आया वो नंबर के हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, स्क्वायर रूट. ओके, सो 2 1 time, 3 1 time and here will be multiplied by 5. So ये 5 यहाँ हो जाएगा. So this will be the factors of 900. So this 5 1 time. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So this 30 is the square root of mu square. Let's see next one. Prime factorization. First of all, we'll find out all the prime factors of 1008. So see, 2 is in a pair. ये उसकी first pair, second pair, third one, but 7 की pair नहीं है. So this 1008 will be multiplied by 7 to get a perfect square. तो हमें यहाँ नया नंबर मिल गया 7056. Now we will find out the square root of this 7056. तो ये 2 वो 1 time, another 1 time, 3 1 time and 7 1 time. By multiplying all you will get the square root of the new number. Next one. 2028. So similar way, let's recall now all the steps. First we'll find all the prime factors, then we will underline the pairs. So here 2 is in a pair, 13 is in pair, but 3 is not in a pair. So this given number will be multiplied by 3 to get a perfect square. तो हमें नया नंबर क्या मिला, 6084. So now we have to find the square root of this new number. So 2 is in a pair, hence 2, then 13 one time and 3 one time. By multiplying all we will get the answer. Understood? See, don't get confused in this. ये जो सारे फैक्टर्स हैं ना वो 6084 के भी होंगे, सिर्फ उसमें क्या ऐड हो जाएगा, 3. ओके, यहाँ 3 1 टाइम है, इसके फैक्टर्स में 3 2 टाइम्स आ जाएगा, इसलिए हमें ये मिल जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ लेट्स मूव विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the next question? For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided. In previous question, we have done for multiplication by which it should be multiplied. So जो नंबर की पेयर नहीं फॉर्म हो रही थी वही नंबर से हमने उसे मल्टीप्लाई किया था. But here we have to divide. So what we are going to do here, जो नंबर की पेयर नहीं बनेगी वही नंबर से हम गिवन नंबर को डिवाइड कर देंगे. So here 252 is given. In the same way we will find out the prime factors. And now let's make a pair. Pair 2 3. But 7 की पेयर नहीं है. So what we are going to do? We are going to divide this given number 252 by 7. So we will get a perfect square. And I have already given you all the square and square roots till 25 or 30. So you can check this. 6 is the square root of 36. Let's move with the next one. 2925. First we'll find out all the factors of 2925. So we'll get this one 3 iski pair, 5, but 13 is not in a pair. So this given number will be divided by 13. By dividing you will get 225. And then after we will find out the square root of 225. Understood? So यहाँ जिसकी पेयर फॉर्म नहीं होगी वही नंबर से हम डिवाइड कर देंगे and then we'll get the new number and we'll find out the square root of the new number. Understood? In the previous question we have to multiply. That's why we have multiplied by that number, okay, which was not forming the pair. But here we have to divide, so we will divide by that number which is not forming a pair. So first we will find out the prime factors by this method. So we'll get these factors 2 in a pair. Pair मतलब एक में 2 होंगे. Then 3 in a pair. 11. 11 is not making a pair. So this 3, 9, this 6 will be divided by 11. You will get 36, and 36 is a perfect square. Its square root is 6. Understood? So we have completed up to here, and these 4 sums are in practice. Try to solve it by yourself. These first 2 you will solve as per question 5, and these 2 as per question 6.